Okay, so we've had an order and I'm really excited about it. The wonderful people at Ached Away have sent me 2 products to help with relieving pain from muscles. The first item is our Ached Away massage scraper for your muscles, but it's heated. Really excited to try this. So that one, I will definitely do a video of me trying it out and reviewing it very, very soon. This is the one I'm really intrigued about because I find my muscles react really, really well to heat. Love that it comes in a handy little travel case. Wow, super light, but then it has enough kind of weight to it. Feels really good quality. And then it has the metal edge. Heats up when you plug it in.
I love that this comes with a travel case and it is super stylishly designed. I was really impressed with the kind of feel of the product and I cannot wait to use it very, very soon.
And the second product that I was sent by Ached Away, their cupping machine. And it mixes cupping technology, red light therapy, and smart massage in one little device. So I've never tried cupping before, and I will again do a video about how I find this machine as well as the heated scraper by Ached Away. And here we have the cupping machine. Wow, it looks very compact, which will be very useful for me as I do a lot of traveling for my performance work. Really excited to try this out. I'm going to try this out in a video soon so you can stay updated on how I find both products.
Again, I'm really impressed with the quality of the product. I am really excited to try this one as I've never done cupping and it's going to be an experience for sure. It comes with lots of attachments, so gonna make sure I read through the manual carefully and we'll post a video very soon.
And lastly, this is one that I purchased myself and it is the Homedics massage pillow.
This is a little bit bigger than the other products, a little less transportable, but it comes with a normal massage setting as well as a heated setting, and that is amazing and I cannot wait to try it. We'll post a video soon.
Really excited to try both of these out. I'm going to do a video testing both products out just because I've never used a cupper before, I've never used a heated scraper before, so to be able to have them is pretty amazing. And as you can see, Millie is very excited also. But yes, be sure to follow along so that you can make sure not to miss my next video trying out these products.